Yo, hey, what's up, guys? So me and my friend Barney have found out a pretty good glitch. So Barney, show him. I load in your thing. So me and my friend Barney were just fooling around with the Mandalorian ship, and then I put down a chair and butter, did the butter glitch, kept spamming the spacebar, and then we found it's a pretty good grinder. Cause you can go pretty fast to the end. So Barney, let's show it to them.
Are you ready?
Nah, just we're just gonna
So we
show
have
it.
we have my friend James Reed here just
Mm.
checking it out.
Mhm. So
Are you
once,
ready?
okay, so we're gonna show
Press
you a
launch.
tutorial on how to do it. This is
But
just
this
like,
is just like a meh version of it.
yeah. All right, let's go. Just warning y'all that it isn't really good with the B stage. All right, you see how fast this
Unless
is
you
going?
have like a
Yeah.
unless you have like
Sometimes it'll go
we're
like
stuck.
oh, sometimes you'll go
We were
way too
stuck.
fast. Yeah. Okay. Okay, sometimes you'll go way too fast and then just go over the edge, just like this.
That's why I put
Yeah. You can put down a thruster for emergency purposes. It keeps snapping back because of the butter.
thrusters are godly.
Yeah. I'm spamming W, my hands hurt. Read! So, sometimes if you go way too fast, you'll go over, and that'll happen lots. Well, only sometimes. But now let's get to the chest, and then we'll show you a tutorial version of this. So this is just simple because you just need your best material, and then just use your and then if you have a pilot seat, you can use that, and then also use a,
You need a pilot seat.
yeah, and also you need a seat, some of your best material, uh, and a block of butter. So we're gonna show you tutorial version of this. If I can get to it.
Alright, so how you build it
Yo, I'm not
is
even. I haven't respawned yet. Alright, I'm here.
alright.
Okay. So
Sorry. Alright, so how you build it is basically you I'm just gonna scale it, but you guys don't need to scale it. So you make a whole rod go in the air. We're gonna make it fairly big, I guess.
you can make it how big you want it to be. The
You can make
longer
it.
it
I
is,
would
the better.
I would make it a little more tiny because as you saw with our big one, it just bounces out of the map.
Yeah.
So you want to put a pilot seat here. Then you could then the person there puts down a regular seat, sits in it, and puts a butter block. Keep in mind you have to do this with two people. Then you grab your strongest block if you still have one, and you stretch it out five or how long you ever want it. It doesn't really even matter. And once you have 5 blocks just like this on both sides, it does not matter, just 5 blocks or more, because if you have less, then it probably won't work. So once you have that, you're going to take a decently strong material and you're going to make this go down almost all the way. on the back, so yeah, it doesn't fall over. And this one right here, the front ones,
Yo,
you
wait.
want to
What if we have 2 glue blocks? You never thought of that?
delete his glue block because we don't need to. So once you have them both under or attached to the ground in the front, are they seeing what I'm building?
You can have the pole like more up front or more
You
back.
have to have it like what we're doing
Well,
right
at
now.
least like more up front, cause you have be better. Well, let's go.
Alright, so once you have that, wait, I need to save it.
You launch, and then the person behind you just spam space.
Wait, are you spamming?
You spam
Alright.
space, and then this will happen. And then the person that has a pilot chair is gonna.
I need
spam.
wait, we need a longer thing.
Yeah.
Reset.
No, I think it's way too much
No
in the.
longer.
I think it's way too much in the middle.
No, you just need a pole.
Hmm.
You just need a bigger pole.
No, make it more up front.
No, all we needed was a bigger pole.
Hmm.
That's all we needed. So you need to have a decently long pole, or else it probably won't work.
Hmm.
Sad. I
Yeah.
know.
But you can just make the inside hollow.
Yeah, you could probably make the inside hollow. So you don't have to do the inside.
So once you're done this, you'll.
So once you have this, you need one person to have a pilot seat in front, and one person to have a glue block in back.
Just like this.
Spam space, launch, and then this will happen.
Yeah. Oh, if you.
We need a jet. Wait, no, we don't. I saved it,
Recovery!
and I would put collision off on these poles.
So once you have this, you'll have a decently good grinder. Well, not really decent, but it's a meh. But it's still a pretty good grinder. Also, on the B stage, you might have some problems. So
If something, one of those things comes down, but it's pretty nice grinder overall.
yeah, well, it's just like a decent grinder. So yeah.
Pretty nice.
So that's the end of it, YouTube. Hope this helped, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya!